Hello everyone. Now we are going to learn the examination of upper limb. Before we start with the examination of upper limb, we have to know what are the steps of examination. So first, we have to introduce ourselves and take the permission. Then we have to ask if there is any discomfort or not. And then we have to wash our hand with the hand rub. Once we have done that, we'll start with the examination. First, we'll do the inspection to see for any scars, wasting, fasciculation or tremors. Then we'll move to the motor examination to check for tone, power and reflexes. Then we'll do the coordination testing through alternating movements of the hands and finger node test. Then we'll move to the sensory examination, in which we'll check for touch, pain, vibration and proprioception. We usually do not go for temperature testing in our usual examinations. And then once we have concluded with the examination, we'll thank our patient and then we'll rub our hands and move forward. Now Mr. Abhishek has graciously agreed for an examination of upper limb. We have also asked him to and requested him to expose his arms. Now we are going to start with the examination. Hello Mr. Abhishek. My name is Dr. Jatin. I'm a psychiatrist from mental health department and I need to examine your upper limbs. For that, I may need to touch your arms and may need to come close to you. Would that be okay with you?
Yes.
Thank you. And do you have pain anywhere in your body? All right. And if you have any discomfort during the examination, feel free to stop me at any point of time.
All right.
All right. So first we'll wash our hands with the hand rub. And first we'll do the visual inspections of both the arms. We can see that there is no scars, there is no wasting, there is no fasciculation. Can you lift up your arms like this? There is no tremors also. Now can you do like this and close your eyes? Okay, we can see that there is no pronator shift. Now you can rest, open your eyes and you can rest your arms. Now we'll proceed with the motor examination. I'll start with the tone. Can you just relax? So what I observed was that there is no hypotonicity and there is no hypertonicity in the form of rigidity or spasticity. Now I'll check for the power. Can you lift your arms like this? If I try to push it down, don't let me push down. Now I'll try to push from below. Don't let me push from below. All right. Now can you make your hands like this in a shape of boxer? All right. I'll try to push your arms. Don't let me push it. All right. Now can you do like this? Just you have to work against my resistance. All right. Thank you. Now can you open your arms like this? And open your fingers like this. I'll press your fingers from outside. You will try not to let your fingers pressed against. So we can see the strength of the fingers is also intact. Now I'll put a paper in between the fingers. What you will do, Mr. Abhishek, don't let this paper come out. Okay, it was hard for me to take out the paper. All right, thank you. Now can you do your arms like this and make your thumb go towards the ceiling. All right. Now I'll push your thumb. Don't let me push it. All right. So thank you. So the power of the fingers and the arms and the shoulders, they are intact. Then we'll check for the reflexes. First we'll go with the biceps reflex, then the triceps reflex and then the brachioradialis reflex. Just relax your arm. Now we'll proceed with the coordination of the arms. First we'll do the finger node test and then we'll go for the dysdiadochokinesis. Can you touch your right index finger to your nose? And then can you touch my finger? Now can you do it again and do it fast? All right. Now can you do this with the left finger. And do it a little faster. All right. Thank you, Abhishek. Now we'll check for the alternating movements of the arms. Now can you do like this? And do it a little faster. Now can you do it with the opposite hands? And do it a little faster. So what we see is that he can easily do the alternating movements. Now we'll go with the sensory part of the examination. We'll take some cotton to check for the touch sensation. Can you feel the touch here?
Yes.
Now what I'll do is, I'll move this cotton on the parts of your arm, comparing the right and the left side. And then you have to tell me yes whenever you feel the sensation, and you will do this while closing your eyes. Can you close your eyes?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Now was there any difference between the two sides?
No.